Hi there, I'm celebrity chef Mychael Chang, and today we're gonna make a different version of a gazpacho. This one is an avocado, cucumber, and green grape. It's packed with antioxidants, lots of fiber in the avocado. This is a nice alternative to the traditional gazpacho, which is tomato and pepper based. If you suffer from arthritis or if you suffer from inflammation and you're avoiding those nightshade vegetables, this is a fantastic, different gazpacho to try. So we're gonna start off with some grapes. We're gonna put these inside the Vitamix. And we're gonna add the Persian cucumbers. I've just done a rough chop, and we're gonna add half of an avocado, which is gonna give the gazpacho a delicious creamy texture, as well as a little piece of sweet onion. I use Maui or Vidalia, a clove of garlic, a little bit of salt and pepper. I use kosher salt, maybe about a teaspoon, some fresh black pepper, and then we need a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. So I'm just gonna drizzle about a tablespoon. A little bit of white wine vinegar. And I'm putting in a little bit of fresh mint. I think it adds a really nice brightness to this gazpacho. And after we puree, you wanna make sure that you chill this so it's nice and cold. This is a great soup to make the day before. You can keep it in your refrigerator. Great for a big group of people. It's already pre-made, and I'm all about having everything done, or as much as you can done, before you have the party so that you can actually spend time enjoying your guests. The last thing that we're gonna add is a little bit of water just to thin this out. So I'm gonna maybe add about a cup of water. And you can add more if it tends to be a little bit too chunky. So we're gonna put the lid on. We're gonna start it on low. And then you're just gonna raise it up. And it honestly takes about 30 seconds in the blender. And it turns out to be this creamy, delicious soup. You always wanna taste for seasoning, so make sure you taste. That's pretty good. I don't think I need to add anything else. And let me just show you some versions of how I like to plate the soup. Now you can do a traditional, classic white bowl where you just pour it in like this, and I've garnished it with some sliced Persian cucumbers, some green grapes, and some fresh mint. So here are some other options in terms of plating the gazpacho for different events. This one I love. It's just like a little shot glass filled with a chilled gazpacho, which is fantastic for if you're doing past hors d'oeuvres. And this is a smaller version in a small bowl if you're doing 3 or 4 course dinner, which I think this is an appropriate size for something like that. And this is one of my favorites. It's in a clear glass. It has a little spoon in it already. Out by the pool, you're passing out trays of chilled gazpacho. I think these are fabulous ways of plating the soup. For more recipes and videos, you can check out my Instagram page at Chef Mychael Chang. Thanks so much for watching. For more chef.